Big house means big ladder means scary heights. So this is a job today in Peterborough. He's having 14 panels on here, scaffolding to put up. Cable route for us is going to be basically a 3-length ladder. New grease on the top drilling. Have a walk through, show you what we're planning. We're in loft space on this job. They've got fuse board inside. Somebody's already split sails inside for the DB2. We're going to put DB3 in there. There is spare room in the Hager, but with it being plastic and all that sort of stuff, SPDs and that, so we're going to put zone board in. Everything's all up to regs then, so that's what we're planning on doing. AC run. Ooh, look how big that is. So yeah, it's going to be upside the gable end, then straight up into loft space. Try and get a ladder in there. We'll do his best. I'm sure we'll get it done inside the house. I'll show you the setup that they've got. He is not looking forward to this. Are you, pal? Are you looking forward to it?
No.
Oh god. Oh, tripped up. Right. Setup in the house is. Oh. Keep locking myself out.
Sorry.
Keep locking myself out, I think. The setup here. Main board, spare ways in there. Decided not to go through there. We're going to put his own board at the side. Fuse box, all those bits and bats. It's going to go just at the side of there. They've got another board in here for the sprinklers. It was a requirement building regs at the time. So yeah, that is a plan. And loft space for the inverter. So a bit of a walkthrough of today's job in Peterborough. After video, we've done a pre-video, and this is now once the solar's all installed, the inverter's been installed, and the customer's now generating. So yeah, so she's had 14 panels, bifacial ones, 7 panels on each string. The AC run was down the side of the gable end, quite a tall building, so a bit shaky on top of that ladder, but we'll show you what we've done. So yeah, walk through. She's also had, I don't know whether you can see that, but she's had pigeon proof. I don't think you can see it, but she's had some pigeon proofing around there. Oh, you might just about see it. Yeah. On the rear. Finishes off quite nice, actually. Through. Access through the playground. The most difficult part about this job was definitely the AC run. The scaffolding unfortunately wasn't full width, and to be honest I probably still wouldn't be able to do it anyway, so the ladder we had was quite vertical, so we got 2 guys to foot me while I was at the top of the ladder, but this is what we've done. Straight up there into loft space. It's quite nice. Last couple of clips I had to sort of put level on, move it away and then mark it, so I mean, to be fair, it's not bad to say how high it were. Yeah, that's that. Show you in the house. We put another fuse board in, just because I like our systems to be all up to regs. With SPD and all that sort of stuff. I mean, it would have been a lot easier. That's the wind. Hey, pal. It would have been a lot easier to go to the main board, which is a Hager. But someone who was here before put a new fuse board in just there for a sprinkler system, because building control said moving this into one room they need sprinklers. So yeah, and they put Henlebuck in, so I didn't really need to do much apart from just banging my tails in. So my board is just there. You can see you've got all your RC Bios, SPD and gen meter just there. It's basically just drilled straight out. So that's that. And the inverter upstairs in the loft space, I won't be videoing that, but I'll add the photographs onto this video. But yeah, that's pretty much it.